Shopify OS 2.0, how to create a page of collections. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the page of collections and how you're going to create a page of collections using the operating software for Shopify 2.0. So in this 2.0 operating software, we can create a page of collections, which basically allows us to, add all of our order collections or all of our product collections into one place, which makes it much easier. And you can also reassign these different products for yourself. You can add these products in a different way for yourself and a whole lot more. Now, obviously, we're going to go ahead and sign in because the Shopify OS 2.0 is already here, and I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my account. Okay, if you don't have an account, just click on Start Free Trial. It takes you into the account creation. It's really simple, it's really easy, and trust me, it's really fun to work with. So just go ahead with that. Now, once you've done this, we're here into our dashboard. And the first thing I want you to do is create a page listing of all your collections, and this is really super easy. So all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead into your online store. Once you go into your online store, you're going to go into your navigations. And once you're into your navigations, from here on out, what you're going to want to do is here it's going to give you a few things. Your store is password protected, etc., etc. They're going to give you titles, they give you different menus, so footer menu, main menu, etc. So obviously, you're going to want to deal with all these things. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your main menu navigation. Once you click on your main menu navigation, you're going to go on add menu item. Once you click on add menu item over here, we're going to go with all collections and we're going to link it to the collections. Just go on all collections and there you go. And I'm going to click on add. Okay, and once you click on add, obviously it's going to add all collections to my e-commerce store. So if I go to view my e-commerce store, it's going to add all my collections over here into my navigation. Now, obviously, it's going to take a few seconds to do so. So I'm just going to wait for it to add everything, decently. So there we go. All collections is right there. I'm just going to go ahead and reload the store. Do make sure to reload it a few times and reload it like after a few seconds. And there you go. There's all collections. If I click on all collections, it's just going to go ahead and add all my collections into this page. Now to edit all collections, what you can do is you can create templates through the editor. So if I go in online store over here, I'm going to click on customize. And once you click on customize, it's going to wait for this to load up. And there you are. So over here, what you're going to want to do is obviously we're in the home page currently. But from the home page, what you can do is you can get into different things. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on create new template. And once you click on create new template, you can add new definitions for yourself as well. But obviously, when it comes to pages, okay, we're going to come into pages. We're going to click on create template over here. And over here, you can add a name. I'm going to call it watches. Let's say, maybe that's what my products are about. Once you do that, you're going to click on create template, and it's going to create a template into my, watches section over here. And it creates a random template. Okay. Now, in this random template, you can actually go ahead, click on add section. And once you click on add section, you can go into your collection list. And once you go into collection list, it's going to add different collections over here. And what you can do is you can create a collection of all your products. Okay. So to create a collection of all your products, you can add different collections of all your products, which is going to be a really good and fun way. So you can select collection on the right hand side. And obviously, the more the products you have, the more the collections you can create. And you can actually create collections by coming under the product section as well. So let's say I'm going to call this the summer collection, okay? This is going to call it the summer and I'm going to save it. Now, once you make the collection, save everything, you're also going to make sure to add some product text for product tag, which is it's equal to. So I'm going to just add some condition and I'm going to click on save. And once you do that, basically it's going to create a type of a collection for your page that you can automatically and easily unequivocally add into your design. So as we can see, we have a summer page collection over here and we can actually start adding our products. So, I have this product and I can add it into my collection. So I'm going to go into my summer collection. In my summer collection, I can start adding the, different best-selling products and all. So it's really easy, but more easier would be to actually add all those products into this collection. So I'm gonna just go ahead and reload the page. And once you reload the page, basically again it brings you to the same old idea of summer collections. And here again, you're gonna add a whole page of your collections. I'm gonna go into all collections over here. Okay, here's my summer collection. And in my summer collection, what we are gonna want to do, as I said, this we're over here. So I'm gonna go into collection banner. I'm gonna click on add collection list. And in the collection list, you're gonna start adding different, products. So I'm gonna add the summer collection. Click on select, and if people click on the summer collection, they're gonna see all the products that you've added into your summer collection. And if you want to add more products into this summer thing, what you can do is, you can add products on any of these conditions for yourself. You can edit this with Pagefly as well, which basically helps us out a lot in this case. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead straight into products. And once you're into products, send these to some different types of set collections for yourself as well if you want to. You can see over here, I'm gonna remove this from my homepage collection. You can add it to your summer collection. So, if I were to write summers, if it does not allow you to, add it to this collection, you can obviously go ahead and create a different collection for that specific product for yourself, and you can add a list of all the other products that are similar to that one product that you're creating this collection for. And once you've done all of this, you're just going to add all the products over here, and that is how you're going to create an all collection page on your products. Okay, so that is how simple and easy it is to actually create a collections list or a collections page on your Shopify OS 2.0. And yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to discussing all the collection lists shenanigans. Okay, but yeah, that's essentially about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and please do make sure to share this around with all the people that could potentially use a tutorial like this in the future to help them with their collection pages and collection lots. And again, do make sure that before you're doing this, your Shopify is fully, you could say, customized and fully, fully on to work and go with. So what that will do is it will initiate and allow you to work with the collection list and collection pages easily. So yeah, basically that's essentially about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watched till the end, and also leave a comment if you want to watch similar videos like this with similar topics in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.